Today, I am going to discuss concept of hybridization. What is the meaning of hybridization? Hybridization means mixing. In chemistry, this means mixing of orbitals. Let's see the matter in detail. Hybridization. Let's start with methane. Methane. Here, four carbon hydrogen bonds. Four carbon hydrogen bonds. These four bonds are same or different? This is the first question. Four carbon hydrogen bonds of methane are same or different? Let's try to solve this matter. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Electronic configuration is 1s1. That is, in hydrogen there is one s orbital that contains one electron. S orbital we know is spherical in shape. So this is hydrogen with s orbital. This is s orbital. Then electronic configuration of carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is ground state of carbon's electronic configuration. Let's write it in box method. 1s that contains 2 electrons. Then 2s, 2 electrons, 2p. There are 3 orbitals. This is 2s, 2p, 3 orbitals. Those are 2px, 2py, and 2pz. P orbitals contain 2 electrons. According to Hund's rule, 1, here 1. Pz orbital remains vacant at ground state. When carbon goes to excited state is denoted by asterisk. At this state, one electron from 2s orbital, one electron from lower energy orbital 2s shifts to the higher energy orbital. That is, one electron of 2s orbital shifts to 2pz orbital. Then we get this is 1s that remains intact. Here 2s. Now 2s contains one electron. Then 2p, 2px, 2py, 2pz, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Here 1, 1 and 1. That is, at the excited state of carbon, 2s orbital contains one electron, 2p orbitals contain one electron each. Let us show this matter in this way. That is energy. Here 2s orbital. S orbital is spherical in shape that contains one electron. Then 2p orbital. P orbitals are dumbbell in shape. This is along x-axis. Suppose another along y-axis. Suppose another one along z-axis. P orbitals contain one electron each. Here s orbital with lower energy, p orbitals with higher energy. 2s, 2px, 2py. This is 2pz. Let us consider this thing in this way. Suppose carbon, this is s orbital, which is spherical in shape, p orbital, dumbbell in shape, another p orbital, another p orbital. With these orbitals, s orbital of hydrogen overlaps and methane is formed in this way. So here four hydrogen atoms, s orbital of one hydrogen atom, that is one carbon hydrogen bond is formed by ss overlap. Another hydrogen atom with s orbital, this bond is formed by sp, suppose this is x, spx orbital overlap. Another carbon hydrogen bond is formed in this way, that is s, suppose this is py. Another one hydrogen, this is spz. So in methane, four carbon hydrogen bonds are formed. One is formed by ss overlap, other three bonds are formed by sp orbital overlaps. So we can think that four bonds of methane are not same. One bond is formed by ss orbital overlap, this bond is formed by sp, this is by sp, this is by sp overlap. So four bonds are of two types, not same. That is, four bonds, carbon hydrogen bonds in methane are different, not same. This is first question solved. That is, four bonds in methane are not same. These four bonds are different. But actually, these four bonds are not different. This is actually same. Four bonds of methane are same. How? This question originated hybridization. Four carbon hydrogen bonds in methane are same. But how? This matter originated hybridization. Let's try to solve this question now. Orbitals of carbon at the excited state. Let's write the orbitals again. Energy, s orbital with one electron, p orbitals, px, py, suppose this is pz. The orbitals with different energy, s orbital with lower energy, p orbitals with higher energy. Now we are going to know that four carbon hydrogen bonds in methane are same. Actually, in this way, these four bonds are same. These four orbitals mix with one another, that is hybridization occurs. These four orbitals mix with one another, that is, in the four orbitals hybridization occurs, mixing occurs, and as a result four orbitals are formed. Those are, this is sp3 orbital. Here mixing occurs among four orbitals, 1s and 3p. That is why after mixing, four orbitals are formed. This is sp3, this one is sp3, this is sp3, this is sp3. Here mixing occurs among four orbitals, 1s and 3p. That is why this hybridization is called sp3 hybridization. And after hybridization, after mixing, same number of orbitals are formed. And after mixing, after forming new orbitals, those are named in this way, that is sp3, sp3, sp3. These orbitals are of same energy and same shape. This process is known as hybridization. Definition of hybridization is the process of mixing of different types of orbitals and forming same type of orbitals of same number and same shape. This is known as hybridization. Simply, the process of mixing of different types of orbitals and forming same number and same shape and same energy orbitals is known as hybridization. Here, after hybridization, we got four orbitals. Those are same shape and same energy. This can be showed in this way. Carbon hybrid orbital, which is called sp3, another hybrid orbital, this is sp3, another hybrid orbital, sp3, another hybrid orbital, sp3. So these four orbitals overlap with s orbital of hydrogen. Here s, this is s orbital, hydrogen, s orbital, hydrogen, s orbital, here s orbital of hydrogen. That is, this bond is formed by the overlap of s and sp3 hybrid orbital. This is formed by s sp3 hybrid orbital. This is formed by s sp3 hybrid orbitals. This bond is formed as well by s sp3 hybrid orbitals. So all the four bonds of methane are formed by sp3 hybrid orbitals. That is, same overlapping happens. That is, overlapping between sp3 orbitals, sp3 orbitals, sp3 orbitals, sp3 orbitals. So four carbon hydrogen bonds in methane are same, not different. In this way, these four bonds are same. The way of hybridization, and hybridization is mixing of orbitals. Because of the hybridization, because of the mixing of orbitals, different energy orbitals, and because of the formation of same number, same energy and same shape orbitals, these four carbon hydrogen bonds are same in methane. So this is hybridization and sp3 hybridization, which occurs in methane, and as a result, four carbon hydrogen bonds are same. This is all about concept of hybridization. No more today. Thank you very much.